box 1, ME190799-399. Second box, ME190584-793. Alright. Good luck to everybody. Thank you for participating. Alright, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. Rookie Anthology, here we go. Good luck to everybody. Alright, got base, Alexander Steen.
Real quick on the base.
Base, Scotty Upshaw. Sean Horkoff on the score. Throwback. Jordan Karen, auto, score signature. That one's going to the Bruins. There we go.
And cards, nice hit.
Going out to Boston. Filler. Nicholas Backstrom, base. Next up. Lundqvist, base. Patrick Kane, base. Zingas, Gorsons. Buffalo, hot rookies. Oh, we got a jersey from Nail Yakupov. Edmonton Oilers. A white jersey. Not numbered. Carey Price, base. Alright. We got a Drew Doughty, base. Andre Pavelec, base. Got a Prism, rookie. Jamie Teroff. Teroff, maybe? Going out to Buffalo. Very nice. Another Prism. Mason Raymond. The Toronto Maple Leafs. Very nice. Followed by Tuukka Rask, base. Alright, Jamie Benn, base. Ben Bishop, base. Got a David Clarkson, select.
Select rookie.
And that's going to Toronto. Shout out to Toronto.
J&N cards again.
We got a Prism rookie going to Eric Haula. Minnesota. Very nice.
JJX.
Still getting for that hit. Henrik Zetterberg, base. Mike Smith, base. Kari Lettman, base. Valery Nichushkin, hot rookies. Hope he comes back healthy and looks good again. I think he's got some promise. Rookie Select, Sammy Itokaloyo.
That's about the hardest thing he could have got.
Wow. Followed by center and bottom off base. Yuri Hudler, base. Shane Down, base. Got a Hot Rookies, Tom Wilson, going to the Washington Capitals.
Washington Capitals. Little S.
Got a Panini Prism Black Rookie from Michael Lotta. Auto. Very nice. I like those blacks. Very sexy. Let's go out to Washington.
Nice autograph.
Philly.
Washington again. Little
Philly
S.
Houchin, base.
Oh, yeah, that's
Alright, we got 4 packs left. The first box. Rookie Anthology, 13-14. Thank you guys for tuning in. Still looking for that case hit. Here we go.
They're doing good in the first boxes.
Martin St. Louis, base. Jonathan Quick, base. Hot Rookies, Xavier Dulé, Detroit. And we got a redemption. Rookie Anthology Rookie Selection for Charlie Coyle. Very nice.
That's going out to the Minnesota. JJ.
Minnesota. Very nice. Coyle's nice, followed by a Thornton base. Alright, down to our last 3 packs. Let's see what we can pull. Corey Schneider, base. Jeff Skinner, base. Score, Mason Raymond. Old school. I like the old school shots. This one feels nice. Oh, here we go. Stefan Mateo. New Jersey Devils. Jersey Auto.
Always hope for some multicolor, but
Numbered.
nice rookie.
42 of
Short.
99. Very nice. New Jersey. Stefan Mateo. Bobby Ryan base. Very nice. Good hit. To answer your question, we're going to say Panini 4 months. If I got something back in 4 months, I'd be ecstatic.
Love it.
I would love it. They don't seem to be as fun as Upper Deck.
Right now, I've got 4 redemptions with Panini right now that go all the way back to 2010-11.
So
for silhouettes and
I would definitely stay on
jerseys and so forth.
All right, so we got Andrew Ladd base, Yarmi Yager base. Got a Hot Rookies Nathan McKinnon. Man, I really hope he comes back like he did his rookie year.
Some kind of Nathan.
We got a rookie Prism, Reed Bucher. Becky Renee base.
Boucher, Reed Boucher.
Boucher.
New Jersey.
Last pack. Box 1. Sport Sharks got that New Jersey. Nice hit, Sport Sharks. Alright, Jonas Hiller, base. John Tavares, base. Ali Mata, Hot Rookies. Out to the Penguins. Nathan Gerber.
A little less again on the Penguins.
Select, Carolina. And Sam Gagne, base.
J&M cards, Carolina.
Alright. We're going to go open with box number 2 here. Keep it rolling. Hope you guys are all having a good Sunday night. Because we are here. Just so you know, if you guys are visiting from us, if you're not going to catch the live break, all of our videos will be uploaded to YouTube after we're all done. You just got to give us about an hour to do it all, since we're going to upload we got about 6 different breaks we're going to do tonight. We thank you guys for your patience with everything. We're having a bunch of different issues with it before, so we're happy to get that all lined up for you guys now. This is the last pack, the last box, and all the packs in it. This one feels thick, so we're going to leave that one here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and another thick pack for 10. Alright, so these are the thick packs. We'll save those for the last. Go through these. Alright. I always kind of like saving the best for last. Can't be kind of as a phrase. It's not true, right? Alright, so we got a Sidney Crosby base. Got a Pavel Datsyuk base. Anton Belov rookie prism. Going out to Edmonton.
Katka.
Rookie prism, Seth Jones. Going to the Preds. And Henrik Sedin base.
He should have been the #1 pick.
Ooh, this one kind of feels thick too. This could be a good box. We're gonna break it. Let's see something. I'm excited. Alright, we got an Anze Kopitar base. Ryan Getzlaf base. Again with the Ducks in the victory. We're at Ducks house here. UC Jokinen on the score.
Yeah.
And it looks like we got a man here.
Looky.
That everyone knows.
Down in the cookie jar.
Got a rookie gear from Nathan McKinnon. #1.
Any kind's good. That's who you're trying to get.
Colorado.
JPJ gets that one.
JPJ. You're a happy man tonight, my friend.
Nice hit. Anything McKinnon.
We'll take special care of all hits as always. And we got James Reimer base.
Titanium.
Shoot. And that was a semi-thick pack. I feel like these ones right here are feeling a little bit better too, so maybe double, triple Nathan McKinnon. JPJ would be the happiest man on the planet. Corey Crawford base. Marc-Andre Fleury, base. Hot rookies of Tanner Pearson. Going out to the Kings.
Tony Mike.
Tony Mike MX.
There you go. Danny Alfredson. Panini Prism. And Max Pacioretty for the Canadiens. Rest in peace, Montreal. Rest in peace. This one kind of feels thick too. I mean, dang, I guess. You get busy counting and worrying about serial numbers, you forget. You really feel how thick these things can be. Alright. We got a Kyle Okposo base. Cam Ward base. We got a Victor Bartley, hot rookies. Going to Nashville.
Little S.
Score signatures of Colton Tuber. Edmonton Oilers. Very nice.
Back to Katka.
That's baby sister in the background. Give you guys shout outs. Brian Nugent Hopkins. She would be baby Stanton.
20 years old, my baby.
Alright, Zach Parise, base. Patrice Bergeron, base. Mark Sundari, hot rookies. Nice. Calgary.
That's JJ.
Rookie select of Anton Belov. Edmonton. Lots of Edmonton today.
Katka is going to be happy.
Eric Carlson, base. Alright, if you're doing so, have a good night, man. Thank you for stopping in. We'll see you soon. Thanks for participating.
By the time you wake up in the morning, you'll be able to watch the rest of it.
Logan Couture, base. Jordan Everly, base. Eric Hartzell, Hot Rookies. Pittsburgh Penguins.
Little S.
Select, Tyler Kennedy. Select Refractor, San Jose Sharks.
That's Bob.
And Anthony base.
Boba Sniff.
Boba Sniff coming back. He was here last night. He was here today.
We need a hurdle for Boba Sniff.
I thought that was a clever name.
We're trying, Boba. Trying for everybody.
Rick Nash, base. Jonathan Taves, base. Louis Erickson, score. Boston Bruins. Got a few nice little guy here. Oh, there we go.
Oh, nice.
Rookie selection. Numbered 61 of 249.
JNC cards.
Going to the Bolts. Michael Koska.
Nice two-color.
And they're fighting still.
Yeah, that one's really shiny.
This one's beautiful.
It's got a nice surface.
Congratulations to whoever had the Bolts. Oh, nice. Red.
Cards.
Red in Tampa, huh?
No. Columbus.
No, that's a Tampa. That's a Bolt.
Oh, jeez.
And we got Gabriel Landeskog, base card. Well, I mean, we got the purple and the Dwight Howard Rockets jersey. We're getting red in Tampa. I mean, this is cool.
Well, they've got I know they've got one of their throwbacks too, or retros or something. Special and commemorative type. Can't remember what it
Got a Solani, base. Have fun in retirement, my friend. McDonough, base. Got hot rookies of Danny DeKaiser. Going out to the Red Wings.
Yeah, I wish Solani.
We got a Prism rookie, Derek Grant. Going to Ottawa. And a Chris Letang, base. Alright, so these are the two thicker ones that I thought were thicker. But I mean, we've already pulled out some jerseys and autos and whatnot, so I can't imagine hopefully there's going to be in here. I hope they're not teasing us. It's always the worst. Alright. Jonathan Bernier, base. Josh Harding, base. We got a Vincent McCavalere, score. Going to the Flyers. Good old Vinny. Got a rookie auto, Prism Black, John Hughes. For Carolina. There we go.
JNC cards.
Pretty good.
And E-Pool,
2 boxes,
to answer your question, if you want any of your base cards, it's just $3 flat fee. Is your insert, and we ship you all your base cards. Mike Fisher, base. Alright, last pack. Thank you guys so much for participating. Let's give this some good juju here.
Yeah, we'll do a quick recap when we're done too. So
we always try to recap the hits afterwards.
We'll ship the scores and the prisms and all that stuff.
Yeah, all those come about. Alright, last pack, here we go. Got a Jim Howard, base. Phil Kessel, base. Got a gold score. Matt Molson. Those are slick. I like retro cards. I have an affinity for them. Going to Minnesota. Ooh, look at that here. Going to Dallas. Jack Campbell. Luxury Suite.
JNC
now
cards
that
and
is
another
nice.
Patch Auto.
I don't know if you guys can see that patch.
Number 25.
Got a nice roll in it, everything.
Number 8 of 25. Jack Campbell, Dallas Stars. Got to love it. In case you guys are having a hard time with that color, it's not black, that is green.
Got a nice stitching, thick stitching right through the center on the 2 colors too. It's real nice.
We will take extra good care of that. Congratulations to Dallas. Who had Dallas?
JNC cards.
JNC cards. That's going to be a nice collection builder, my friend.
Multiple teams, multiple good hits.
That's the U.S. goalie right now. Goalie of the future for Dallas. I cannot wait to see this kid play. Him and John Gibson are supposed to be the new touts. And we're going to give him a base.
Yeah, he might get his crack. It just depends